What's the meaning of cowgirl? Cowgirl. Cowgirl.
Cowgirl. Cowgirl. Cowgirl generally refers to a woman who works on a ranch or participates in rodeo events. The term can also be used more broadly to describe a woman who embraces a Western-style lifestyle, fashion, or attitude. In popular culture, cowgirl has been romanticized as a symbol of independence, strength, and feminine power. The image of a cowgirl often includes boots, hats, and denim clothing. Overall, it represents a unique and iconic aspect of American culture that celebrates the role of women in the Western frontier.